the Honky 2000. The Honk 2000 hart car. Hey guys, Juliet back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my hart car. So, this is the Honk 2000 hart car. So what you do is you open it up just like this. And now you probably already see a lot. And a lot. And I'm showing you guys everything on this car. So, let's get into it. So, the Honk 2000 I just built today. I'm going to start at the back. So, if you lift up this flap right here, so those are my headlights, or my back lights. There's another back light. And then, here's the string to the seatbelt that I'll get to later. Now, we're gonna go to the inside. So that's part of my seatbelt. This is a drawing I made. Then this is the actual seatbelt right here. I'll show you guys that later. So the car is made to be like this. So then you got your side of the car right there. There's a music speaker, and then vents for the hot air, and then a window. I drew pictures to make it look like stuff out the window, and then you can open and close it. And then you come around to the other side. You got some more air vents, but for cool air vents. Music, another window that you can open, and more vents. And then here's my dashboard. I have mirrors. Okay, so here's the button to activate the air, and then the music, my speedometer, my gas, my key to my car, and then that's the keyhole where I started, and then that's the heat, and then it runs up, boom. Now, if you look inside of here, we have the go pedal and the stop pedal. And then we have my steering wheel that actually does turn. So yeah. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get into the car. I just need to set this up. Okay, there we go. So there we go. There it is. Okay. So here's what it looks like when I get in here. Take the seatbelt. Oh, and I forgot. Here's my wipers, and then I got my grill, and then my headlights. Then what I do, I put this under my shoulder, and then stick it onto a piece of tape in the corner, just like a seatbelt. And then open my mirrors, put my flap up, open the window, open the other window, and then I step on the gas pedal, and then I turn on the music, and then I start driving. Your destination, you have arrived. Yay! Then I take off my seatbelt. Put down these, my mirrors down, check my steering wheel, make sure everything's all right, perfect. And then I get out. And then close this, and that is how I packed up the hook that's what it looks like. Then I put it in a little corner right there. Then I put it in a little corner right here. And then, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Woo!